Pete Alexander, principal at Ben Advisors, my good friend up there in Shanghai. Look into your crystal ball. Where is the buzz, and why is there so much money management expertise swirling around?
Well, there's growing demand for it, at least up here in the mainland. What we're finding, and we just came out with a report yesterday that was specifically meant to lay out our projections going out for the next 5 and even 20, although that's a bit shaky, the next 5 to 20 years. And here, at least in the mainland, we're looking for industry assets under management to reach at least $1 trillion US, up from approximately 400 billion US right now. Simply as more and more retail investors begin to disintermediate or move money out of bank accounts to find better yielding options to meet their long-term financial goals. So I think regardless of what's happening globally, there's an actual demand for more professionals, more management expertise here in the mainland, and that's what's going to be attracting talent.
And that's going to be for institutional money, or is it going to be, what is it going to be? Is it going to be leveraging the very high domestic savings rate? And I might add to that, how is this new futures index concept and this the notion of being able to hedge in China going to affect development in this space, Pete?
Two-part question. First, regarding actual demand. There will continue to be institutional demand, but we think that's going to move out of the mutual fund space into what has recently been created over the last couple of years, what we normally have in the Western markets called segregated accounts. So most of the growth we're anticipating over the next 5 years locally is retail money that will be moving out of the banks into actual professionally managed mutual funds. With regard to your second point, which is talking about stock index futures, look, Bernie, you've been around for a while. You know how these things work up here. They get talked about, they get kicked around, they get approved, then they get introduced. We think that this is a fantastic move directionally, but at the same time, we are cautioning everyone to look at it as a longer-term bet. Nothing is going to change dramatically over the next year. This is a major move to expand the financial services industry, and it'll be done methodically.
Give me a quick last answer on this one. We're going up against a break, Pete. But, with all the crackdown on bonuses and really the bad rep that bankers get around the world, is China cognizant of this? Is something which is going to be a net positive for the development of the industry and the PRC?
Quickly, yes, I think it's going to be recognized here. I think they're already trying to address it, and the Chinese policymakers will most likely come up with their own plans.
Pete, you stay well, okay? Short but sweet this time. Take care. Pete Alexander, Principal, Ben Advisors.